Today we are watch the video for IT Pitter Trade Theory Semester 1 2017 old question paper language English. Dear friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Full title in front of the question paper. This question paper booklet series of B question. Total mark 150. Part A, hours 3 hours. One question wrong, 25% mark, reduce negative mark. Let's come to this subject. Question number 1. Which one of the following file is most suitable for smooth finish to aluminum block? This question answer single cut file. Option D correct answer. Question number 2. Point angle of center punch is dash. Center punch point angle is 90 degree. Option C correct answer. Question number 3. V block are available in dash. This question answer option A correct answer. A and B grade. Option A correct answer. Question number 4. Vernier depth gauge is used for measuring dash. Vernier depth gauge is used for step depth of blind holes. Option C correct answer. Question number 5. The mobile jaw of Pennywise is not moving even though the spindle is turned. It is due to the reason that this question answer spindle spin is broken. Option B correct answer. Spindle spin is broken. Question number 6. A divider is used for dash. Divider used for scraping circle, scraping arc, scraping and stepping up distance. A, B, C correct answer. So all of this. Option D correct answer. All of this. Question number 7. Another name of handbill is dash. Handbill another name is shape edge file. Option D correct answer. Question number 8. The best way to avoid accident is by dash. The best way to avoid accident is by observing safety rules related to job, machined workplace. Option C correct answer. Question number 9. The jaw in this type of wrench open parallel with the help of screw. For different size of nut there are dash. This question answer Mangi wrenches. Option B correct answer. Mangi wrenches. Question number 10. The pin of straight pin hammer is dash. The pin of straight pin hammer is straight to the handle. Option B correct answer. Straight to the handle. Question number 11. Ratchet stop in the micrometer help to control the pressure. Option A correct answer. Control the pressure. Question number 12. To convert the inner motion of plunger of dial indicator to rotary motion of pointer, which one of the following mechanism is used for dial test indicator mechanism is rack and pinion mechanism. Option B correct answer. Rack and pinion mechanism. Question number 13. Difference between one main scale division and one vernier scale division in vernier caliper is 0.02 mm. Option A correct answer. 0.02 mm. Question number 14. Which one contain higher percentage of carbon? Higher percentage of carbon cast iron. Option D correct answer. Cast iron. Question number 15. Least count of micrometer is dash. Micrometer least count is 0.01 mm. So here 0.01 mm not given. So none of this. Option D correct answer. Question number 16. Size of tapping drill for M10 multiply 1.5 thread is dash. This question answer 8.5 mm. Correct answer 8.5 mm. So here 8.5 mm not given, so nearest value 8.37 mm. Option B correct answer. Question number 17. Which one of the following metal is corrosion resistant? Corrosion resistant metal is bronze, copper, brass. So 3 metal is corrosion resistant. So here option C correct answer, copper. Question number 18. Temperature of soft soldering should be dash. Soft soldering is flow 450 degrees Celsius. Option B correct answer. Sometimes hard soldering is above 450 degrees Celsius. So here flow. Question number 19. Which one of the following properties offer resistance of operation? This question is hardness. Option A correct answer. Hardness. Question number 20. Spot pacing is down to dash. Spot pacing is down to make surface flat so that fold head can take proper seat. Option B correct answer. Question number 21. Second cut in the file is the type of dash. Second cut in the file is the type of grade. Option B correct answer. Question number 22. Sheet of copper and brass are dash. Sheet of copper and brass are malleable and ductile. Option D correct answer. Question number 23. Forging is carried out in the dash state of metal. This question answer. Forging is carried out in the solid state of metal. Solid state of metal. Option B correct answer. Question number 24. Puller are used for nicking and grooving. Option A correct answer. Question number 25. Angle of point of scraper is dash. Scraper point is 12 to 15 degree. Option B correct answer. Question number 26. Cast iron cannot be forged because it has the property of dash. Cast iron cannot be forged. Option D correct answer, brittleness. Question number 27. The main purpose of annealing is to improve machinability. Option A correct answer. Question number 28. The external surface of the part made of mild steel can be hardened by dash hash hardening. Option C correct answer. Question number 29. Pend snip is used for dash. Pend snip is used for cutting the sheet along road line. Option D correct answer. Question number 30. Which type of stake is used for shaping and seaming funnel and tapered article? This question answer, funnel stake. Option C correct answer, funnel stake. Question number 31. Number of notches in ring spanner may be 12 notches. Option D correct answer. Question number 32. Most common solder is dash. Most common solder is alloy of tin and lead. Option A correct answer. Question number 33. Hammer made from wood is known as dash. Hammer made from wood is mallet. Option B correct answer. Question number 34. Number of teeth is in rough file is dash. Number of teeth in rough file is 5 to 10 per centimeter. Option B correct answer. Question number 35. The main function of flux is dash. Flux main function is avoid oxidation, to avoid oxidation. Option A correct answer. Question number 36. If T is the diameter of rivet and T is the thickness of plate in millimeter. In the riveters joined, the rule is dash. Dia equal to 6 root thickness. Option C correct answer. Question number 37. Cecil used to cut keyway dash. Cecil used to cut keyway cap Cecil. Option B correct answer. Cap Cecil or cross cut Cecil or cross cut Cecil. Question number 38. Try-score is meant to check the flatness. Option C correct answer. Question number 39. Marking media used for casting and forging surfaces dash. Casting and forging surface used to marking media chalk powder. Option A correct answer. Question number 40. Hemming is done for dash. Hemming is done for strengthening the edge of sheet metal. Option A correct answer. Question number 41. Notch used to bend the job at 90 degree dash. This question answer B notch. Option A correct answer. Question number 42. Forging temperature of low carbon steel is dash. Low carbon steel is forging temperature is 800 degrees Celsius to 1300 degrees Celsius. Option A correct answer. Question number 43. Characteristic of forging fire is dash. Forging fire characteristics, it should be clean. Option A correct answer. Question number 44. Galvanizing of metal is the process of dash. Galvanizing of metal is a process of coating the metal with zinc. Option B correct answer. Question number 45. A micrometer has 0.03 mm positive error. If micrometer read 20.43 mm, then actual reading is 20.43 subtract 0.03 mm. So 20.40 mm correct reading. Option B correct answer. Question number 46. Basic unit of length in SI system is dash. Basic unit of length in SI system is meter. Option B correct answer. Question number 47. Dash is a direct measurement tool. Here direct measurement tool is standard steel rule. Option A correct answer. Question number 48. Least count of steel rule is 0.5 mm. Option D correct answer. Question number 49. PIS is known as Proof of Indian Standard. BIS is approved year 1986. BSI approved year. Question number 50. Caliper are made up of dash. Caliper are made of dash. Carbon steel. Option B correct answer. Carbon steel. Option B correct answer. Dear friends, this question paper used to all friends. Thanks to all.